Hi everyone, welcome you all. So previously we have learned each and everything about string manipulation according to CBSE syllabus for 2020. Okay, so here in this series we are going to practice string manipulation by having some practice questions so that it can boost your knowledge and understanding about string and its manipulation. Right? So without much delay, let's move to our question number one. Now on your screen, you can see a question. Write a Python program to get a string made up of the first two and the last two character from a given a string. If the string length is less than 2, return instead of the empty string. Okay. So now, for example, we have W3 resources. Now, the expected output is the combination of first two character and last two character, right? And for example, if a string is only two character, you have to return only one character. Oh sorry, repeated W3 and W3 will be the answer. And if we have only one character in a string, then we should return a empty string. Okay, so this is the case. Now let us move to our PyCharm so that we can perform this task. Okay, so here is my question number one, that is write a private. For example, we have a string is equals to, let's say, W3 sources. Okay, resource. Now first task is if its length is more than two character. Okay, then we have to extract first two and last two characters, right? So let's do that. Before we do that, let's go to the presentation mode. Okay, that's okay, fine. Now print str. So first two character will be we can get with the help of a string slicing. Let's it be like this, and let us try to print this one so that we can get ahead. So obviously fantastic, I'm getting W3, and now what else I need CE. Okay, so print str uh, from what we call -1 to, let's say, -3, and let's print this. I'm getting an actually empty string. Let's have change it somewhat like this. See, I'm getting RC. Okay, I'm not getting E because -1 cannot give you the included characters. Means, for example, if I'm writing a -1, so it will not give me E. Similarly, I have written 0 to 2, it is not giving you the third character, that is R. So what we are going to do is we will be using a length function. Okay, so length of str, okay, that will be to complete length. And if we reduce -2 and let it be length of str, then see what I'm getting, CE. Hope you got it, right? So what actually going on behind the scene is, uh, for example, length will give a complete length, -2 will be this position, and str again a length +1. Okay, so index +1, you can say that, last upper bound index +1. So that's why I'm getting this. And if I copy this and add this here, let's say like this, so complete program will be somewhat like this. Let us increase this or reduce the resolution. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Now if I execute this, I'm able to get the first output. Okay, when we have a string more than how much? 4. Okay, so this part is done. Now what is the second part? If it is less than equals to 2 or 2, right? So move back to our id. This task should be done if the length of a string is more than 2, then we can do this. Okay, otherwise if length is of this str is equals to 2, then what we need to do, we need to simply print the string twice. Print str multiplied by 2, and otherwise we are going to print simply an empty string. Okay, I think this is done. Let us execute this piece of our code. For my string, let me check what is the error. Not supported between str. Okay, see, a very silly mistake. I shouldn't be using like this, it should be like this. Okay, so typing mistake. Now let us execute this piece of our code. See, since my string is more than 4 characters, I am able to get this. And if I reduce it to only 2 characters, let us check it out. See, this is working. So my string is printed twice according to the question. And then if we have only one character in a string, we are getting an empty string. Or if you want to write an empty string, you can always write empty string, and let us execute it again, and you are getting an empty string. Okay, hope you have noticed how I have made the program. First of all, I have splitted my program into smaller steps, right? For example, I have taken only one task to get first two character and last two character and then join them somehow, right? And for this purpose, I have tried 1 or 2 times. Listen, children's actually, you should not be fed up of trying. You should keep on trying. You should get a unexpected result, or sometime the output is not up to the mark, or it gives you error. That's a part of a programming, right? You should not be afraid of that. You should be keep trying. You have to understand why my program is creating problem, and then you have to act according to it and apply some fixes. And slowly you will apply fixes, counter one problem and then counter other problem, and slowly you will find that your program is becoming and making will come into a proper shape and will do whatever you want to do in 10 or 20 steps. Okay, and then I have addressed the other problem, that was this, and then finally this. Okay, so slowly I have made a complete structure or logical steps to perform these tasks. Okay, so this is the first question, and the second question is for you to be done at your home and for practice. So let us read and I will explain what it is. Write a Python program to get a single string from two given strings, separated by a space, and swap the first two characters of each string. Okay, so now you can see we have a first string ABC and other one is XYZ. So first two characters are exchanged, and the rest of the characters are remains unchanged. And similarly here also you can see we have xy, first two character is taken from ab, so ab and z, and then these two are to be merged. Okay, so first of all divide your problem into many different smaller steps. For example, first of all you can only focus on to extract these two characters or swap these two characters, right? And then you can try joining them. Okay, so this is just an idea. You can do it your way. Okay, that's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.